Hi, welcome to Shelly Loves Dolls. And I have an Ashton Drake box opening of Lily Rose silicone baby doll. So I'm going to open her. I got Lily Rose for my birthday. Okay, I got this doll from BB Pour La Vie on eBay. So I knew she came with a lot of beautiful stuff, but this is amazing. Okay, it has another outfit, and she comes with a blanket too. So here's her additional outfit. It's got like a argyle pattern and bows and trims, and it's green and pink. And here's her blanket. I just spread it out over her box. So this is my birthday doll. So this blanket, this blanket is pink and has a pink ribbon across, going vertical across the upper side of it. Then it has a rose and a lily, it looks like. I don't know what that is. And then it has little pearl flowers in one, all in one corner. It's beautiful. So now to the doll. This doll, I've seen lots and lots of box openings. She's a very popular silicone doll, and I wanted to open her early to check her out and make sure she's okay. All right, so let's take this off. I wanted this doll for a long time, but I wasn't able to get her because she wasn't available on the website where I order my Ashton Drake dolls. So then I found a retailer in Canada. So I found a retailer on eBay that sells Ashton Drake dolls. BB Pour La Vie in Quebec, Canada. Alrighty, so I'm going to take her bonnet off because I really want to see her hair. So far her hair looks good, and she has a little bow. Her hair feels soft and she has lots of it. Let's see, how's her silicone feel? Oh, you can squeeze her cheeks. Now I have Ava, and her cheeks are silicone, but you can't squeeze them. So she has an open mouth. You could feed her with a bottle and put a modified passy in there. That's good. Here's her COA, Lily Rose. Certificate of Authenticity for Lily Rose. Her artist is Michelle Fagan. So I'm going to take Lily Rose's packaging off. So again, here's her artist, Michelle Fagan. Now let me feel her silicone for the first time on her limbs. It feels really good. It actually feels better than I thought it would. And she's nicely tipped. Let me bring her closer. Her fingertips are nicely painted. There we go. Ah, we took her shoe off. We got her shoe off. Let's do this other one and then probably take her shoe off, but we'll get it out. See her feet. They're all tipped, that's good. She's got really cute feet. You put her shoe back on. She's got little slippers. They're little slippers, not really shoes. Her outfit, her dress is stunning. And I just really like her silicone. It feels softer than my other Ashton Drake silicone dolls. She's very light. She's very light. Like she's big, but she's light. She has some bloomers on under her dress. Her dress is cream, like a deep cream with roses all over it, and a rose-colored sash tied in a bow and a rose at the top of it. She's got 3/4 arms and legs. I'm going to take her hair bow out. Oh, my dog wants to come in. Come on in, Shelly. Come on. I've got Lily Rose here. Yeah, the toothbrush works better. Yeah, that's good. It blends in nicely with the rest of the hair when you take the bow out. There we go. Yeah, she has really pretty hair. And the reason I chose this doll is because I'll show you a picture of me as a baby. So there's a resemblance. So I've always wanted this doll. I sometimes pick dolls that look like me, but she's a lovely, lovely doll. So thanks for watching her box opening. I highly recommend this doll. She's just beautiful. I'll be able to get a better look at her, but she's going back into her box and getting wrapped up, and she'll come back out on my birthday. I just love her hands. They feel so soft and squishy, and I love holding them. She's a sweetie.